It's another upload of the Sparrow Diaries. He's over a week old now, and I'm getting ready to feed him, and he's at this point fully covered in feathers, just about. There's a few bare spots under his wings still, and we're doing the last feeding of the night. I'm going to try to catch it on camera. I don't have my tripod. He's very active. The sound of his vocalizations is different. It's not a teeny cheep anymore. He's got a little bit different voice now. It's a little bit of a mess in here because we're at the end of the day, and while I clean his cage periodically throughout the day, he's a messy eater, so I'll have to clean it one more time before bed. See if I can get this. Here, baby. Well, he had his mouth open. It's kind of hard to film and feed at the same time without my tripod. I'm going to pause this to feed him, and then I'll put the video back on in a minute.